Welcome. Today we're diving into real reviews from homeowners right here in Coachella Valley. Hear firsthand experiences and find out why Anthem Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing is the go-to choice for so many. Stay tuned to learn how Anthem is transforming homes with their top-notch services. First, let's hear from Arthur.
Awesome service. Mario was punctual and very personable, but more importantly, knowledgeable and professional. He performed routine maintenance. He made a suggestion for an additional enhancement to the condenser without making me feel pressured. Anthem installed new AC units several years ago and have been maintaining them since. I highly recommend Anthem.
Thanks, Arthur. Hey, Brenda. Can you share your experience with Anthem?
Hi, thanks for having me. Anthem Air Conditioning had previously done some quality work for me years ago. When I reached out to them, they were ready to provide support and send a technician out the same day. The technician was very informative and answered my many questions. He was very professional and provided viable recommendations. Thank you, Anthem.
That's awesome, Brenda. Thanks for stopping by. We got time for one more. April, what have you got for us?
Thank you. They sent the best technician we have ever had to service the AC unit. In the past few years, we have had 4 different companies, and he was absolutely the very best. He was professional and friendly and spent the time to figure out the issue and make recommendations. We were very impressed and happy with the service.
Thank you, April. That's all we have time for today. Give Anthem a call today and ask about our Comfort Club membership. For just $14.95 a month, you get 2 maintenance services a year, a whole list of discounts, priority scheduling, and much more. Summer is upon us. Don't wait until there's a problem. Call now and see why so many of your neighbors love Anthem.